Hi, in this video we will learn how to install, set up and use the Google Sheets add-on for Instadeq. The first step, if you haven't done already, is to install the add-on. Go to any sheet you want to use and go to the add-ons menu and click Get Add-ons. Go to Search and search for Instadeq. Click on the result and select Individual Install. It will ask you to allow permissions. Select the username account you want to use and allow the permissions. Now the add-on will be available on the add-on section, so we can see it here. And the next step is to go to settings. The settings dialog will appear. It's just one field. I'm going to clear this. I already had it. So we need to put here a hook. A hook is a unique URL that whenever some application sends data there, it will appear on Instadeq on a channel. So to create a hook, we go to the admin section, and in the hook section, we click add, and we select a target channel. So it will create a unique URL, and whenever somebody sends data there, it will appear on this channel on Instadeq. Now I'm going to copy. Clicking the copy button here, it will copy the hook URL. I'm going to go back to the Google Sheets and paste it and click OK. Now, whenever we have a spreadsheet card set to persistent and sheet data with the same channel as the one configured in the hook, whenever we send data, it will appear here. So I went to add-ons, Instadeq spreadsheet and click send, and it appeared here. And we want to use the first row as headers. So I'm going to select promote rows to headers, and I can add some extra field to see it change. And now, as you can see, the column names are the names in the first row. Now we can use it as any other source of Instadeq. Every time you have some new data, you can just go to add-ons, Instadeq, and send. So the steps are to install it. If you don't have it already, go into add-ons, get add-ons, searching for Instadeq, selecting the Instadeq add-on, accepting the permissions. Then the first time you have it installed, you go to settings and paste here the hook URL. To create a hook, you go to the admin section and create a hook, or use one you already have. You copy the hook URL with the copy button, and then create a spreadsheet file card and set it to persistent, and right here the same channel you have mapped on the hook. Then you just click OK for the settings, and whenever you have the data ready to be sent, you go to add-ons, Instadeq spreadsheet, and click send. So this was the Instadeq Google Sheets add-on, and if you have any question, just contact us on social media. Bye.